Good morning, students. Today here we are there for what? For a new part number 2. Naturally, sometimes happens we are just starting, so few seconds will be there. It's okay. Chapter number 7, subject social science. Chapter 2, part 2. We are getting to the part 2. Okay, part 2 means a chapter is divided into various forms so that easily you can understand. Here is a part 2. What is the name of the chapter? Chapter 2, what was the name of the chapter? If I talk about the name of the chapter is motion of the earth. Motion of the earth. Okay, means how the earth is rotating, how the earth is taking a revolution. So we can say just moving around the sun, that is called a revolution. All the things we have explained, and in this chapter further we will explain in the things because during the rotation we can say day and night is the best example, and we can say the revolution seasons are the best example. As I told before also, if you want, okay, if you want, there is a best example of what? We can say there is a best example of we can say doing the experiment at home. Best example at home. Understood? What is the best example at home? For example, just take an experiment of day and night. What you can do? We can say take a torch, take a globe, okay, put on it, just have a look. What will happen? Half sun will be lighted and half will be night. It means we can have very easily the examples. Okay, very easily we can have the examples of what? Very easily examples of the day and night. Because the light wave falls on the half globe, it is called as a day part, and the half part where we can say the lights are not there, it is called a night part. Okay, right now home also can do the experiment. Now we have written some things. Okay, what is it? If it is daytime in India, right, whether it would be a day or night in the following countries, and this means if activity you can do at home by searching in the globe and value of the globe, or we can say Google, so we can find out the day and time. Okay, first off we can say the country here. Okay, what is the time? Here if you can get day or night, for example Canada. If in India, what is it? If it is day in India, अगर भारत में दिन है, तो इन countries में there could be day or night. It actually depends. Okay, Canada, Japan, Mexico, Australia, Brazil, South Africa. So we can say depends on which country and where time and where location. The location is the most important. Okay, in the finding out the day and night, we can say it is opposite, that it will be night. If it is same, then it will be what? It will be day. Okay, it will be day. Understood? Now, if it is that way, so you can do this as an example. This example you do that at home also. Okay. So now I am just scrolling down and have the more examples of it. Understood? For example, now we have completed the rotation. So we have seen the definition also. Now it's come as a revolution. If I talked about the revolution, so what is revolution? The earth, we can say the earth takes 365 days to complete one. The earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. This period is called a year. What is called? This period is called a year. What is that? What is the revolution? I say rotation takes a 24 hours. It takes a day and night. Okay. If I talk about the revolution, then it will be 365 days. Means because the earth is moving around the sun. Okay. It can't be a one day. It will be a 365 days. In 365 days around the sun, as I told, the seasons will be there. Okay. This period is called a year. Okay. Naturally, this 365 days is going to sometime it is 364 as a leap year. 366 days or 365 days as a counting as a leap year. If you already have a 29 days. Understood this thing? इतना समझ में आया? Revolution किसे कहते हैं? By rotating at the sun own axis, the earth. Rotating means the earth rotating at its own axis, then revolving around the sun. And when it's revolving around the sun, it's a revolution. उसका टाइम कितना होता है? 365 days. यानी एक साल में मिल सकते हैं. What is the speed of the earth when it revolves? जब रिवॉल्व होता है तो उसका स्पीड कितना होता है? When in the rotation also the speed is there of the The earth, we can say, the earth which revolves around the sun, its speed is 1780 kilometers per hour. Its speed is 1780 kilometers per hour. Understood that thing? Now, the earth moves continuously. Naturally, the earth starts to step. If it steps, then what will happen? If the earth stops, so what will happen? Can anyone tell? Naturally, if the earth will stop, then everything will be finished. Or the whole human life or the being so will be finished. Understood that thing? Okay. Now, if I talk about the earth moves continuously on a fixed imaginary point, that is called an orbit. If we can say orbit or rotation, whatever we can say, it's continuously just moving on its fixed path. That the orbit of the earth is not round. I already told this. We can say the earth, look at the picture, you see what the revolution of the earth. I'm talking there are various planets on the earth. We will talk in this planet's motion of the earth. The chapter name is, that's why we will talk about the earth, moon and the sun. हम earth, moon और sun के बारे में यहाँ पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? इतना समझ में आया सबको? Now, what is the shape of the sun? What is the shape of the sun? The shape of the sun is the oval, the rectangle we can say. This is the reason why the distance between the earth and the sun does not remain the same throughout the year. और शायद यही रीजन है कि धरती और सूर्य का जो तापमान हम कह सकते हैं, इवन बिकॉज सन's टेम्परेचर इज बोथ नाइट और इवन ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, वो एक ही डिस्टेंस पे नहीं होता है. इट्स लिटिल फार क्लोज, दैट्स व्हाई गेटिंग द समर, विंटर, ना many of the reasons are there. The earth revolves around the sun at the speed of 1780 kilometers per hour. Again, it should be the things because the speed is given of the sun. What is the speed of the earth while moving just revolving around the earth? Around the sun. We can say it is 1780 kilometers per hour. It has the speed. It has own speed. Understood that thing? The sun revolves around the sun at the speed of the 1780 kilometers. The moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. It's here in the picture we can say the moon revolves around the earth. The moon होता है धरती के आजू-बाजू घूमता रहता है and the earth revolves around the sun. Understood one thing? This can be understandable. The moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. The earth makes an angle. The earth makes an angle of 23.50 degree to its axis and 66.50 degree to its orbit. It means when it's moving in the rotation form on that time, its angle is 23.50 degree on its axis and orbit is 66.50 degree to its orbit. Understood this thing? क्या समझ में आया? Sorry. The tickling of the earth on its axis causes the varying lengths of the day and night and also changes in the season. Means जो धरती अपने आप में घूमती है उसके साथ जो revolution करती है उस वजह से भी we having the day and night, the like sometimes the longest day of the June 21 June is the longest day of the earth. Okay, तो सबसे लंबा दिन माना जाता है and same shortest day is also there and with that the seasons are also there. The seasons are changing. Understanding this thing? Understanding this thing? Okay. So in this revolution we have learned about the definition. Okay, what is the definition? What is written here? It's about the earth which rotates around the sun. We can say around the sun and takes a complete 1 year, 365 days is called a revolution. Okay, and our speed is 1780 kilometer per hour speed. जो ट्रेन होती है, जो व्हीकल्स होती है, उनकी स्पीड जो है वो पर आवर काउंट की जाती है. हाउ मच स्पीड ऑफ द पर आवर व्हेन यू जस्ट हैविंग एन एक्टिवा, जब हम एक्टिवा चलाते हैं देखते हैं ना स्पीड बढ़ाते हैं 50 60 70 स्टार मार देते हैं. स्पीड इज तो दैट इज कवर्ड बाय द कितनी अगर कितनी स्पीड में जाएंगे तो हाउ मच इज वन टाइप ऑफ साइंस ओनली. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड सब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज सोशल साइंस. इन दिस वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट द साइंस थिंग्स. व्हेनेवर द न्यू थिंग्स वी न्यू सर्चेस वी आर डूइंग तो उसको हम पढ़ते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई सोशल साइंस कहा जाता है. ठीक है, नई खोज करते रहते हैं, चीज़ों के बारे में जानते हैं. ये जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो सोशल साइंस दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन, ये सब साइंस में आता है ना. साइंटिस्ट लोग खोज को सब चीज़ें करते हैं. दैट्स वी आर लर्निंग इन अ सोशल साइंस. ओके, द मून रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ एंड द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. एज आई टोल्ड द थ्री ऑफ अर्थ आर रिवॉल्व अराउंड द मून. धरती के गोल पर घूमता है the okay, on that time because Earth moves at odd angle also, so it is how much there 23.50 degree, and we can say on the orbit it is 65, means on the Earth it is on 66.50 degree. So degrees होती है ना, mathematics में ना degrees आता है, on the degree basis it is 66.50 degree. And this the tickling of the Earth. If someone asks what is the tickling, so we get the tickling of the Earth on its axis causing the various length of the day and night, and also the change in the season. So understood all the things. What is the whole the topic of the revolution? Have you understand? Okay. Now we will take another point out. Here we have today discussed about the various points of what? We can say the various points of the motion of the Earth. We have learned about the motion of the Earth के साथ हमने क्या find किया? Of the motion of the Earth. In that main two topics we have done. It is first of the we can say the revolution, and second is the rotation. First is important because as I told, okay, when we are discussing something about it, so we have to discuss the Earth's. We are talking about the year. We were talking about the day and night. We have talked about the sun, moon, and the Earth because trees are moving and rotating. In each day, their timing are different. Understood that thing? The timings are different, and on the basis, the degrees are also different. If it on its axis, it will be 23.50 degree, and its orbit basis, it will be 66.50 degree. Okay, it means time, hour, speed, its angle, everything has been changed according to the Earth. How the speed is going on because we are living on the Earth. Okay, we will discuss more about the Earth and how the speed is there during the moving around the sun. Okay, now nearby activity is given. Let's just I'm scrolling down. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, this thing understand. It is very interesting chapter. हम रोज सन मून देखते रात को, है ना? रात को क्या देखते? सन मून दोनों देखते? No, we are looking out the moon at night and the daytime the sun. And same thing, we have the curiosity. We have the curiosity at what time all the things are there. These are the equal things. Look at here. While looking at the picture, equal day and night. If I talked about here, the angle is given. I told about the equator line, equator. Okay. Upper side Tropic of Cancer, downside Tropic of Capricorn, है ना? Downward magnetic circle. This is the south pole and this is the north pole. Okay. These are made by the scientists only. The people who are searching on it, you know, in history, historical historians are there, archaeologists are there of finding. Same way here in the planet basis we are learning these things. जब ये चीज पढ़ते तो वो भी देते थे आपको scientists they are searching on it, and then after researching we are learning from the pattern that is what is happening around us. That is also basis of our society. That is the social science. That's why we are learning here. Understood? English में थोड़ी समझ में आएगा ना? Okay, I think all are very good understandable in English. I know that. You are in the 7th standard now, not in the 6th. अब 7th में आए हो. I think 1 year you have looked at me how I'm speaking and talking. हिंदी तो आएगी ही बेटा. हिंदी में तो हम बोलेंगे, लेकिन इंग्लिश बहुत जरूरी है. इंग्लिश होगा तभी आप ये सब सीख पाओ. वरना आप एक लाइव टेस्ट की रीड नहीं कर पाओ. ठीक है? इसलिए मैं आपको हर एक पॉइंट इंग्लिश में समझा रही हूँ, हिंदी में भी समझा रही हूँ. इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा प्रेफर करके इससे आपको पता चलेगा. ठीक है? Okay, by looking at the picture, you can understand what is the figure here given. You can do at the at home also. It's one type of calendar you can show up 21 March. What is the sunrise, sunset, sunset? It's the activity type. Okay, you can do. The important most is this. The diagram what is given here. Okay, the diagram which is given here about the equal day and night. Understood? What is the equal day and night? That has been seen here. Okay. 90 degree, 80 degree. 80 degree is there? No. Both of the 90 degree are set, and the north pole of the side and the south pole. That's why upper side is the artificial, you know, the huge pool is there and the hottest. Whatever the countries are comes in between, that's where in the seasons are different. The timings are different. It depends on the equal day and night. This is the main angle we can say about. Okay. Now in this topic we have discussed a lot about. These of the things you can read the textbook at home also, so that you can read and learn more. Okay, by checking the videos. Now to complete this video here, what to do? Read the textbook and learn the more and more